ka jingnang yai peteng bat pensapriang ya ko kubor bat ban hikai ban ya le persha ya ki jingdi ba ki jingbam pen buan ko Ophis district sports officer ribhoi haka step jong ka south rik jelio aja punrio kala Pynlong da ka jingyat rally ka basan kilometer lingba da ki bicycle ya ka balas dang nado ki benta ka shnong saiden bat ka bala penkut hasor nong po la poi bin shim benta de ki bungot ki khun samla ki bana gishnong ba pher jong ka than sor nong po haringkat ka jingron langru uba Bobby el nongben ubadai UDSO ka nongpo bar ka kong rida shisha lindam ka badai ka senior coach na ka tana Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya ka bay la kawe ru ya kalama kum ka dak ka jing sedang ya ka tai ka rally nolor ki weipat ki bala poi bin shim benta lang ki ba Kyntu yo Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoi Dr. Abhishek Saini kum ukong san ka kong NF Sun ka badai ka District Social Welfare Officer Uje Rabha ubadai DSP Traffic Ribhoi nalor ki weipan. Hadin jong karali la Pynlong ya ka program ka belingkon hakamat ka nongpo shopping complex ban pensyai padba halor ka jing tumu jong karali bat kumno ka jing persyang jong kitana sarkar ba pher jong ka district ban rat dingkhong ya ki jingdi bat jingbam ki ba penbuat ki ba kata ka kot ka khia bat kumjo ka ba penthok bria bat pensniu ya ki imlang kasalang.
Has an important contribution in the development of society and country. Therefore, it is very important that maximum number of youth join the Drug-Free India campaign. Accepting this challenge of the country, today we unite under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan.
Drug-free Ribhoi district, and the cycle rally has been organized to give that message, and I am happy that many of you have come here, participated early morning enthusiastically, and I will not take too much of time because I can see most of you are very tired and you want to go home now. So I'll just give a short message that please stay away from drugs. As simple as that. Drugs not just destroy the person, their family, the society, everyone. And in the short term, they might give some pleasure, but in the long term, they completely ruin your life. And the solution is very simple. You just have to say no. Whoever tells you, let us try this, it feels very good, let us experiment, you simply have to say no to drugs. Ong M-U drug. So that is a very simple solution, and I would urge all the youth to take, participate in one particular sport that you like, at least, because the sport will give you the same feeling, same happiness, same euphoria, and it will improve your health rather than using drugs for the happiness which will destroy your health. So when you take up the sport, when you play football, cricket, whatever, cycling, you get that feeling of euphoria, happiness, and at the same time you are improving your health and you are contributing positively to the society. And whatever problem you are facing, always talk to your parents, your friends who are there to help you. Don't depend on drugs or fall back on such kind of habits. And as our DSP has mentioned that this is Nasha Mukta Bharat, it includes the drinking also. So please say no to drunk driving. And this highway is a very busy highway. Many accidents take place because of drinking and drunk driving. So please don't indulge in drinking and driving and obey all the traffic rules. We want to keep the district as safe as possible, and that is my appeal to all of you. So with these few words, I'd like to once again thank all